Hi, in last video we have seen how we can convert the all the words present in the character into the uppercase and how we can print the length of each and every word in that particular string. And in this video we are going to see how we can write a program to find the item start with specific character from the given list. So basically what I want to print all the word which is start with specific character which is I want. So before going to start, please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start. So as I told you, I want to print the word which is start with specific character which is defined by me only. So basically what I want, for example, I want to print only the word which is start with the T. So here you can see the output like Tuesday and Thursday is the only two word which is start with the T. So let's see how we can do these things. So I'm going to use the again list comprehension concept. So I'm taking one variable as equals to, then I'm taking one list. Then I want to iterate through entire list. So because of that only I'm using for loop for each element in the list. If index, if first index x of 0 is nothing but this first one, it is always going to consider this first. See what is the x? So x is the each and every element in this particular list. So what is the element? This Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, these are nothing but the element only, and element is nothing but x only. And again what I am doing, if x of 0, it means if first character of these words is equals to like I'm giving one test condition, test case, and here I need to define the test case variable because if I'm using here, then I have to define here equals to, then here I have to specify what I want to check. So as I told you, if I want to check for the T, so I have to write T only. And what I'm doing for each element in the list, if x of 0, it means if first element or first position is equals to test case. And what is the test case? So test case equals to T. Then only I want to print. And at last let me print this S. Let me run. See, Tuesday and Thursday is printing. But what if I want to print the word which is only start with M? So let me do like that one also. See, only Monday, because we have a Monday only which is start with the M. And if you want to print something which is start with the W, at that time let me run and show you. See, Wednesday only we have. So this is how you can write a program to find the item start with specific character from the given list. So I hope you're getting how we can write a program to achieve such a functionality. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.